The problem that we're given here is x minus 2 squared over 9 plus y plus 2 squared over 8 equals 1. And when we look at this, since both of our variables are squared and there's a plus, this is going to be an ellipse. First, what we're going to try and find is our center. And so x minus 2 is the same thing as x equals 2, and y plus 2 is the same thing as y minus equals minus 2. So our center is at 2 and negative 2. So we can start our graph over here. 2, negative 2. And what else we can find is our major and minor axis, the lengths. And since this is our larger number, this is going to be a. And so a is 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. And for our minor axis, the square root of this is square root of 8. And 2 square root of 8 is our minor axis. Or you can also write it 4 square root of 2. Now we're going to try and find our vertices. And since this is going to be a horizontal ellipse, since our larger number is over the x, it's going to be horizontal, we're going to add and subtract 3 from the x coordinate. So negative 1 and negative 2 and 5 and negative 2. And our co-vertices, which are along our minor axis, is going to be 2, negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 8. Because 8 is how far the distance from our co-vertice to our center. Now we're going to find our foci. And this is c squared equals a squared minus b squared. And our a squared is 9 and our b squared is 8. So our c is going to equal 1. And our foci are going to be along our major axis, which is along the x. So we're going to add and subtract 1 from our center. We need 1 and negative 2 and 3 and negative 2. So now if we plot these, we're going to have negative 1, negative 2, 5, and negative 2. And our co-vertices, 2 square root of 8 is a little bit above 2.5. So we're going to go 2 and negative 2, just a little bit more. Negative 2 plus square root of 8 will give us an ellipse like that.